It's very simple. First make a circle. I draw over here. First make a circle and make this line and this line, this eyes line and nose line. Okay, Joanna, just I show for you only. Make the nose, and in these two lines you will make the eyes, like 1, 2, eyeball. That's it. See how easy you can make this character. This is just very simple, and you can erase it after that this line. Okay, fine. Yeah, aram se take time, beta. Wow, that's great, Joanna. Yeah, this is good, honestly. So now I can create the body. So make the body now. Okay. So here the leg. Make the leg 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And you just erasing this. Okay. See, 1. I make first line 1, 2, 3. And here I make this oval like a 1 and 2. We make this oval. Okay, so Doraemon are sitting down on the floor, and it's so cute. Yalini understood beta? Kavalya beta? Kavalya?
Yes, sir.
Understood beta? Is difficult or easy beta?
Little difficult, sir.
Okay, I make more easy drawing for you beta. I tried. Okay. Here make the hand. Okay. And erase this line. This is the Doraemon. Okay. So easy. And here is a make a one locket of Doraemon. Okay. You can do it, I know. This all drawing start from the circle. That's the main things, okay? We are making this outline. And make it like this, this and this. Now make it the leg. This is the lip, the tummy. Okay, so we can make some scenery of Christmas with this character. So I make the scenery for the character. So I make this, yes. Sorry? Yes, beta, you can make your own scenery. Okay. I make is here. I make here the can make this. This is today I doing celebration of some Merry Christmas. So so I can create some cap on top of it.
That's what I'm thinking to do, sir.
Yeah, this is top of it and makes the snowfalls, this the lands, okay, and make this tree, Christmas tree. I make this small tree. This is Christmas tree. The top is so far. Okay, and this is snowfalls. We can make some small house. We can make some small house. Okay. We can make some small house like this. And the Christmas tree. Okay. And this road, 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 la 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 la. Okay, so you can create some scenery small, and this Doraemon makes one snowman, small snowman over here. How to make snowman is so easy. Make 3 circles. Okay, this is snowman. Snowman and Doraemon is sitting on the ice. This is all the ice. Okay. Take time. Take time. Very nice, Joanna. कर लिया बेटा? Understood बेटा how to draw?
Yes, sir.